Welcome to the EPCB Boiler Factory. We will show you the delivery process of EPCB boilers used in paint factories. Before EPCB boiler prepares the boiler for the paint shop for shipment, we need to carefully inspect the boiler to make sure everything is in good condition. EPCB's boilers have configured many special boilers for paint industry, providing efficient, reliable and environmentally friendly heating solutions, helping to optimize production processes, improve energy efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure safety and sustainability of production environment. Workers are using cranes and forklifts to carefully place boiler on the transport truck, and arrange boiler and accessories reasonably so as not to waste every inch of space. EPCB's delivery team can make full use of every inch of space and maximize the loading efficiency of goods while ensuring the safety of the goods. For export boiler transportation, container reinforcement plays a particularly important role. EPCB arranges staff to fix all goods on the containers very carefully to ensure the safety of transportation. The boiler system has been safely loaded onto the transport truck, and now we will ensure its safe delivery to its destination. Shipment successful. We hope that EPCB boilers will provide reliable thermal energy support for paint factories.